Hopefully y'all are doing well. So, I'm a little bit under the weather. Got sick yesterday. Luckily, took some, Alka-Seltzer, liquid tablets and all that stuff, and it did a whole lot better. As far as for Carnage, alright, there is the gear set. Thank you very much, River City Differential. And Quick Performance. Quick Performance gave me a new gear set, new axle. This is a fucked up right there. There's the bad portion of the axle. But got a new axle from Quick Performance. Girlie's out here doing her stuff. Just got this all cleaned up. Or around there, actually not fully cleaned up. I need to now clean the inside of it, but I got all the material off of it, gasket material. And hopefully y'all can hear me right now, but if not, it's all good. But we're getting her back together, or at least trying to. Okay. So, just so you guys can see. I mean, goddamn, there's pieces of metal now stuck into my glove. Right there. That's how much. Hold on, let's see. Can we get... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at all of that. Oh, my good golly, Miss Molly. Let's... I guess that's all right. Oh my gosh. That's so much. Okay. Yeah. I should have done this a while ago, but oh well. Having fun on a Saturday. Race car. So, she's all back together. I'm going to change out the front wheels to street wheels so we can do break-in mileage. And yeah, go from there. But she is sitting down on the ground, ready to go. It didn't take that long, but still took a while. Anyways, okay. So let's let the fuckery begin. Yeah, was not expecting this. I thought they were not full of metal. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking really. But anyways, coming to this. Car's back down, ready to drive. But I'm like, hey, look, I've always wanted to get these vents out to make it real ram air. And I thought it was, I don't know, fiberglass or some shit. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, like I said. But anyways, it's metal. And I got this little Dremel tool. Try to go around it and cut and cut around there. Yeah, no, that ain't working. So yeah, I've already started. Now I can't stop until we get her out, but we'll get her done. We'll figure it out, see how it goes. Hopefully you guys have a good Sunday now. Yeah, and man, it's getting nippy out, and my skinny ass, I have to bundle up. Cause yeah, anyways, but I'm gonna get back to this, and hopefully I ain't gonna fuck nothing up. But oh well, if I do, I do. And at least it was me and not somebody else. Peace out. Oh, got one side done. Fucked up in a lot of areas like that. So I might just paint the whole thing black, or touch up with a couple of red, paint edges in black, touch that up in red. We'll figure it out. Oh well. Like I said, at least I fucked it up and not somebody else. And I'm a dumbass with some of my stuff. I just go gung-ho before I do any research and all that. And I'm just, go at it, which that's why I need to learn to calm down. Doing this stuff and re-looking at stuff actually helps out with that. So, yeah, self-reflect, move on, and learn from it. But, oh well, I'm fucking doing it. Peace out. Wednesday, y'all. Got the car all fixed up, got the doggies, got the girly, and we're going off to the racetrack. Try to see if we can get a fucking 10-second pass out of this. That's what we tried last time, but was unsuccessful. Broke some shit. And thanks to Brian at Quick Performance, and thanks to Sean at River City Differential for putting in the gears for me that Quick Performance provided within a great, timely manner. So yeah, boogity boogity boogie, let's go racing. What do you say?
Let's go racing.
Yep, hey, she said it, so let's go. A lot of cars are out. She's out there. We got my home photographer right over here. Beautiful sunset. A lot of cars out here. Got the boy Alex right there. Yeah, there's Alex. Gonna be on YouTube. There's Stunted Jay right there. We'll see how how it goes, but there's a good amount of cars. Beautiful Malibu. Just fucking beautiful. Excellent to see. Just wish it was more like this when I was a kid. It used to go all the way in the back, go down. But damn, look at that sunset. Holy shit. More door Nova right there. More doors, more horrors. I gotta stop the video to take a picture because this is...
at Sacramento Raceway. Got 2 passes in. First one was 11.37 at 121 with the 1.7 60-foot, shitty 60-foot. They're trying to kick me out because no roll bar. I got my fire jacket and helmet, but no roll bar. So I did the second pass with the 1.63 60-foot, but I let out and braked it and hit a 12.5 at 74. So yeah, right now we gotta take care of the puppers, let them out, go to the bathroom. One of the last nights out here, one of the last times that we'll have a sunset like this. That sucks. This raceway is closing. It's supposed to rain next week, and that's the last week, so we'll see how it goes. But no more. No more. It is unfortunate, but we'll try to do our best on everything as far as going to different racetracks and continue our program. Whether or not we do have to go to Mexico, we might go to Mexico. I don't know. But that might happen. So stay tuned. My last pass at Sacramento Raceway. That might be my last pass. They're probably gonna kick me out because I went all out, and I'm hoping I ran a 10. Probably not. Good 11, I know that. Good low 11, so we're gonna see. Third gear, I kind of lagged on the shifting, so, you know, oh well, we're not all perfect. Got a good launch out of it though. Real good fucking launch out of it. Felt like it, so we'll see what the 60-foot gave a little bit of tire spin, but still hooked. So we'll see. Just gonna kick my ass out, I know that.
ended up getting kicked out. Painted a roll bar. So, fuck 'em. I didn't turn off the GoPro in the back.
That's alright. Getting lots of footage.
Lots of footage right now. So, yeah. Anyways, try and enjoy. There she is. Back on the trailer. Princess! There she goes. She's looking for shit out here at the track. So yeah. Oh well. We tried. I should have waited till this time and made it full send, but I fucked up. And I could not hold it back. So I just let her rip, tape chip, and that's what happens. Could have probably ran a 10 with this weather, but I was too anxious. And yep, we're at where we're at.